Hello, fellow campers. I'm Wanda.
And I'm Ricky.
And we are the Tennessee Camping Nerds. And we're going to bring you a review of Glade Granny's Diner.
Yeah.
Now, it's also, the sign says the Glade Diner. And their Facebook page is facebook.com/Glade Diner. But when you go there, you'll see it says Glade Granny's Diner. And that's what they, I think that's what they usually go by.
Yeah.
But this was our first time eating there. And we're reviewing this particular restaurant because it's close to campgrounds. It's only about 10 minutes drive outside of Cedars of Lebanon.
Yeah.
And 12 minutes from the Lebanon KOA journey. And 22 minutes from 7 Points Campground in Hermitage. And it's Southern cooking.
Yep, meat and three.
Yeah.
Just sort of meat and three.
I guess so. They don't refer to themselves as a meat and three. What their slogan is, cooking with love and butter. And it's just some good Southern style home cooking. They have roast beef and catfish, country fried steak,
pork cutlets.
Yeah. Let's see here. Chicken and dumplings. Their veggies range anywhere from turnip greens to fried squash. They have rolls, cornbread, and jalapeno cornbread, which was pretty good. They have desserts, cobblers, pies, banana pudding, and hot fudge cake. It's a pretty cool place to be. They got a lot of really cool old pictures on the wall. Let's go ahead and look at some of the pictures we took. This is the outside of the place, and that was one of the meals we got. I just wanted to try some variety of things. Looked like all I got was fried foods here, but it was pretty good. That's the jalapeno cornbread. That's the fried squash, fried okra, and
pork cutlets.
That's the pork cutlet. Yeah. And this is what Ricky got, was the roast beef. It was really good.
Mm-hmm.
And you said the turnip greens are really good, didn't you?
Turnip greens was excellent.
And the green beans were just very, very fresh, very home cooking. And then there's some mashed potatoes and gravy. Tell us about those mashed potatoes.
Well, they was real mashed potatoes. They still had little bitty hunks of the potato where they didn't get it all the way mashed up.
If he gets potatoes that are real creamy, he thinks they're made from the powdered mixed potatoes. Let's see here. There was that pie. What was that kind of pie?
Chess pie.
It was pretty good. It wasn't like your favorite chess pie you've ever had.
No, but it was pretty good.
And then I had the Blackberry Cobbler, and it was good. The breading was kind of like pie crust, baked pie crust. And let's see here. I wanted to show you the inside of the restaurant as well. They've got a lot of old pictures from like old Lebanon high school pictures from back in the 30s and 40s and 50s. A lot of old buildings and such around. But we enjoyed it. It was really good. And like I said, it's not that far from these campgrounds. We're staying at the Cedars of Lebanon when we went there. You can see the restaurant looks pretty empty. We were there in the middle of the afternoon. It wasn't lunchtime. The costs for the meals run anywhere from $9 to $12 a plate, depending on the number of sides you get and also the meat that you get. They're closed on the weekends. I was surprised about that. According to their Facebook page, they're open Monday through Friday from 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. So you got to get there. You can't go too late in the evening. But I would recommend it. We'll probably go back again someday.
I enjoyed it.
It was very good. Now, if you have a favorite restaurant that you like to go to that is close to a campground, just comment in the comments below. Let us know what it is. We may try it out and do a review of that restaurant as well. We do have some other reviews coming up of other restaurants that we've been to. We won't be reviewing any chain restaurants. They need to be locally owned, mom and pop type restaurants. But this is one that we would recommend that you enjoy.
Remember to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yep. If you will
We
subscribe
appreciate
to our
it.
channel, you'll know when we put up another review. If you have a certain campground you'd like for us to review in Middle Tennessee, Nashville area, surrounding counties, just put that in the comments as well. And let's go camping.
Let's go.